In high-temperature insulation materials, chemical composition is a critical factor in assessing the quality of high-temperature insulation fiber blankets. In some cases, strictly controlling the harmful impurity content in fiber products is even more important than ensuring the content of high-temperature oxides in their chemical composition. The impact of impurities on performance. The control of harmful impurities directly affects the long-term performance of high-temperature insulation fiber blankets. Common harmful impurities include iron oxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, titanium dioxide, magnesium oxide, and calcium oxide. These impurities can negatively impact ceramic fibers in the following ways. Accelerated crystallization and grain growth. High impurity content promotes nucleation, accelerating fiber crystallization and grain growth, which leads to rapid degradation of fiber performance. Sintering and polycrystallization phenomena. Impurities promote sintering and polycrystallization at fiber contact points, increasing grain growth and destabilizing the fiber structure. Shortened service life. Grain growth and sintering caused by impurities damage the fiber structure, reducing the lifespan of ceramic fibers and overall performance.
CCEWOOL comprehensive process for strict impurity control to address the impact of impurities on the performance of high-temperature insulation, fiber blankets. CCEWOOL enforces strict control across the entire production chain, from raw materials to manufacturing processes, ensuring high purity in fiber products. Own raw material base. CCEWOOL owns dedicated mines and advanced mining equipment to carefully select raw materials, ensuring high-quality sources. Rigorous raw material testing. All raw materials undergo strict laboratory testing, with approved materials securely stored in dedicated warehouses. Impurity content control. Through refined raw material processing techniques, impurity content is reduced to below 1%, providing a solid foundation for the exceptional performance of high-temperature insulation fiber blankets. We strictly control the raw material management to ensure that the impurity content of the ceramic fiber blanket is below 1%. The low biopersistent fiber blankets are made using a fine synthesis process with extremely low impurity content. The polycrystalline fiber blankets are made from high-purity raw materials and further refined through advanced synthesis processes to improve the purity of the materials, significantly enhancing their thermal insulation and stability. Advantages of reduced impurity content. By strictly controlling impurity content. CCEWOOL high-temperature insulation fiber blankets demonstrate the following outstanding performance. Lower line shrinkage rate. Reduced impurity-induced grain coarsening leads to more stable fiber structures under high temperatures, significantly lowering thermal shrinkage rates. Enhanced heat resistance. Low impurity content minimizes performance degradation, ensuring fibers deliver long-lasting insulation even under extreme high-temperature conditions. Extended service life. Reduced impurities prevent damage to fiber structures, significantly improving product durability and long-term stability. Chemical composition is a core factor in evaluating the performance of high-temperature insulation fiber blankets. By strictly controlling impurity content, CCEWOOL not only enhances the high-temperature performance of its products, but also extends their service life. Choose CCEWOOL for more efficient and reliable insulation solutions.
Stock available at Charlotte, USA warehouse. CC Fire insulating fire bricks 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000. CCEWOOL high temperature insulation wool, RCF LBP PCW including blankets, boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.